In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need along with a few tips to make sure everything works smoothly the first time. Start by heading to your Notion workspace and opening the page that contains the table or database you're working with. Once the page is open, click directly on the table or database to expand it fully on the page. This puts you in the best view for editing properties and using calculation features so you're not missing any options tucked away in a preview. Before you can sum anything, the column you want to total has to be set up correctly. Click the header of that column and choose Edit Property. In the Type dropdown, select Number. This step is essential. Notion only performs calculations on columns that use a numeric property. If the column is text, select, or anything else, the calculate options won't appear. If you've been typing numbers into a text column, switching to number will convert it, but keep an eye out for any entries that aren't valid numbers as those won't be included. With the column set to number, click the column header again, this time select Calculate. A small menu will pop up with a few quick choices. Click More Options to see the full list of available calculations. You'll notice choices like average, median, range, and more. For this tutorial, choose Sum. That tells Notion to add up every numeric value in that column automatically. Look down at the bottom of the column and you'll see the total displayed in the footer. That number updates instantly whenever you add a new row, delete one, or edit any value in the column. It's a dynamic, reliable way to track totals without building a formula or doing any manual math. If you don't see the footer right away, make sure you're viewing the table fully and that the column is indeed set to number. Also, remember that only the values in the current view are included, so filters you've applied will affect the total. This works seamlessly on desktop and is a great starting point if you're new to Notion's databases. The key takeaway is simple. Set the columns property to number first, and then use the Calculate menu to select Sum. Once that's in place, Notion handles the rest for you, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.